Hi guys, nakapag-order na po ba ang lahat sa GFH Street Restaurant? So ayun guys, naka-receive nga tayo dyan ng order through Talabat mula sa ating regular customer guys ng 1 beef bulalo guys. Kaya pinarepair na namin dyan ni Chef Bon ang fresh ingredients for beef bulalo guys. Meron na yung fresh cabbage, pechay, Chinese cabbage, short beans, spring onion, and sweet corn guys. And kasama na yung main ingredients natin dyan guys ng fresh bulalo. So once again guys, once you order your food, that's the time only we cook and prepare your food. So you can guarantee your food have good quality and safety food for your happiness and satisfaction. Good food, good mood. Everyday fresh.
Quality goods!
So ayun guys, what are you waiting for? Please do order to your GFH Street Restaurant. Guys, link ng Talabat, Smiles and Noon application nasa comment section guys. Please click this one and automatically you will find your GFH Street Restaurant. So once again guys, thank you so much all for your support. Keep on grinding. Have a great and blessed day to everyone. Assalamualaikum. Peace out.
1, 2, 3, let's go!
Quality goods!
Thank you so much, Chef Bon.